Very good morning, student. I am Azim Kumar Mandal as a physics teacher taking chapter number 3, current electricity, unit number 2, representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. Student, today I am taking the another question related to chapter number 3, current electricity. The demand of question, drive an expression for internal resistance of cell. Internal resistance of cell, that means small r will be equal of capital R bracket capital E by capital B minus 1 bracket close. What is the mean of small r? Small r, that means the internal resistance of cell. Capital R, that means the external resistance, yeah, resistance of circuit. E, that means the electromotive force. V, that means a potential, and 1 is a constant number. We have to derive a expression to determine internal resistance of cell. That means we have to derive small r equal to capital R E by B minus 1. Student, in another way, board exam में क्वेश्चन ऐसा भी पूछा जाता है, prove that small r will be equal of capital E minus capital V by I, where symbols having their usable meaning, that means a E electromotive force, V that means a potential, I that means the amount of current, and R that means the internal resistance. Student, for this question we draw a simple diagram. In this situation, capital E, let we consider capital E is a cell, that means a experimental cell. The electromotive force of cell will be equal of capital E, and internal resistance of cell will be equal of small r, and both are connect in the series form. First point, capital E, that means the electromotive force, small r, that means the internal resistance of cell, where V that means voltmeter, and A that means a meter. Here capital R is a external resistance or resistance of circuit. Total amount of current will be equal of capital I. Here positive terminal, here negative terminal. So by the definition of current, we know that the direction of flow of current always positive to negative. That means always positive to negative. One more time, what is the mean of E? E that means electromotive force of cell. Internal resistance, that means small r represent internal resistance of cell. Capital I, that means total amount of current. Capital R, that means resistance of circuit. Student, K, that means plug key or two-way key, and V, that means voltmeter. Why we use the voltmeter? वोल्टमीटर नहीं होगा तो हम कैपिटल V कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे? कैपिटल V, दैट मीन्स अ पोटेंशियल. टू डिटरमाइन पोटेंशियल वी अ voltmeter, and A that means a meter. Here voltmeter and ammeter both are correct in the series form, and cell and external resistance connect in the parallel form. I hope student you getting the proper label diagram. First one, E, that means electromotive force of cell. Small r, that means internal resistance, and capital R, that means external resistance. Due to small r and capital R, we can say capital R plus small r will be equal of total resistance. Student, we know that by the Ohm's law. देखिए, now time to define a derivation. What is the demand of question, student? We have to determine small r will be equal of capital R into E by B minus 1. Derivation. The first line of derivation, we know that about the Ohm's law. V is a directly proportional I. proportional replaced by any constant will be equal of capital R, such that V by R will be equal of I, such that I equal to V upon R. We know that by definition of current, V I equal to V by R. V, that means a potential, but in the case of cell, potential represented by electromotive force. So student, we will start with the first definition. By definition of current, that means a total amount of current will be equal of total electromotive force by R, that means a total resistance. Student, now current, that means a capital I, total electromotive force of cell will be equal of capital E, and total resistance, that means a internal resistance and external resistance, such that I equal to E by R plus R, that means a external, small r, that means the internal, so total resistance will be equal of R plus R. I hope student you getting the first equation properly. By the definition of current, we can say current will be equal of total electromotive force and total resistance. Now again, by Ohm's law, again by definition, by the statement of Ohm's law. क्या होता है student Ohm's law? V is a directly proportional I, such that we can say V equal to IR, where R will be equal of amount of resistance. That means proportional हटता है तो एक constant लगता है, so we will choose capital R in the Ohm's law. This as a denominator of this, so we can say I will be equal of V by 2, equation number second. Student, we getting equation number first, I equal to E by R plus R, and equation number second, I equal to V by R by equation first and second. Student, by equation first and second. In the case of the equation number first and second, LHS are same, so we can say RHS will be equal E by capital R plus small r will be equal of V by capital R. Student, we have to find the value of small r. Mind में रखेंगे, by the cross multiplication we getting these into these, that means a V into R plus R equal to E into R. These into these, that means a VR plus VR equal to ER, but we have to find the value of VR such that VR will be equal of ER. Positive convert into the form of negative. Student, so VR will be equal of R and R. Here R is a common factor, so we taking R outside of bracket, then we getting E minus V. This is a product of small r, then small r will be equal of capital R whole by E minus V whole by capital V. Then after last step, such that small r equal to capital R. Capital V is a denominator of E and V both. After separation, we getting E by V minus V by V. Then R will be equal of capital R. E by V minus V cancel by V. Then we getting 1. I hope student you getting the proper solution related to internal resistance of cell. One more time मैं आपको समझा देता हूँ. The part of derivation start with the definition of current. Current, that means a total electromotive force and total resistance. Current, that means a total current. Total current equal to total electromotive force and total resistance, such that I equal to E by R plus R. Here total resistance, that means the internal resistance plus external resistance. So total resistance will be equivalent of R plus R. Now student, by the definition of Ohm's law, V is a directly proportional I. Proportional convert into the form of resistance. Proportional, that means any constant will be equal of capital R such that V equal to IR. We getting the value of I such that this is a multiple of this as a denominator. V by R equal to I equal to V by R. दोनों इक्वेशन के LHS जो है वो इक्वल है, तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ RHS will be equal. We have to find the value of small r, या आप माइंड में रखना. Then we getting the cross multiplication, this into this and this into this, V into this and V into this. ठीक है, we have to find the value of small r. Positive convert into the form of negative, R is a common factor and V is a multiple. Then V passing as a denominator, V separate करा तो इसके अपॉन में भी और इसके अपॉन में भी V कैंसल बाय V. देन वी गेटिंग स्मॉल r इक्वल टू कैपिटल R मल्टीप्लाई E by V minus 1. Student, now we taking the second part of the question. We have to prove small r equal to capital E minus capital V upon में capital I, capital E, that means electromotive force, V that means a potential, I that means a total amount of current. We know that since we know that about the value of capital I, amount of current will be equal of total electromotive force and total resistance will be equal of capital R plus capital small r. We know that by the cross multiplication E will be equal of these into these equation number first. Now we taking the second part of question. We have to prove small r equal to this. In the first part already I done small r equal to capital R into capital E by capital V minus 1. Student, in the second part, firstly by the definition of the current I equal to E by R plus R, then we getting the value of E, and by Ohm's law, by the statement of Ohm's law, we can say V is a directly proportional IR. That means I will be equivalent. मैं आपको करके बताता हूँ पूरा Ohm's law. V is a directly proportional IR such that V is a directly proportional I such that V equal to IR. Equation number second. Student, we getting the electromotive force, then the value of potential. In the case of the electromotive force and potential, we know that the amount of electromotive force always greater as compare of potential. Now student, we have to find a relation. This is the required relation between the internal resistance and external resistance and electromotive force. मैं एक फॉर्मूला ड्राइव कर रहा हूँ किसके बीच में, ध्यान से सुनेंगे स्टूडेंट. Between the internal resistance, external resistance and electromotive force. I used fall in potential. What is the meaning of the fall in potential? For example, मान लीजिए सिंपल सा आपकी सैलरी है 200 रुपीज पर डे और किसी रीजन से ड्यू टू कोरोना आपकी सैलरी हो जाती है 150 रुपीज पर डे. तो आप क्या बोलेंगे, कितनी गिरावट हुई? तो सर अपर माइनस लोअर, दैट मीन्स 200 माइनस 150 विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 50 रुपीज. तो सर जब भी हम फॉल निकालेंगे दैट मीन्स ठीक है ग्रेटर माइनस स्मॉलर. वी नो दैट E इज अ ग्रेटर देन V सच दैट हम क्या बोलेंगे, इक्वेशन फर्स्ट माइनस इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड. बाय यूज ऑफ द इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट एंड इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड, LHS माइनस LHS that means E and LHS that means V by equation number first and second. RHS, what is the meaning of the RHS? R प्लस R माइनस R. स्टूडेंट ये लाइन आपको बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान से समझ आना चाहिए, मैं डायरेक्ट नहीं लिखा. वी गेटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ E बाय इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट, वी गेटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ V बाय इक्वेशन सेकंड. हमने पहले भी देखा ये. नाउ फॉल दैट मीन्स डिक्रीमेंट. कितना डिक्रीमेंट हो रहा है? तो LHS माइनस LHS देन RHS माइनस RHS. नाउ हियर E माइनस V कांस्टेंट, I into this will be equal of IR, I into this will be equal of IR minus IR. negative and positive such that we getting E minus V will be equal of IR. But we have to prove small r will be equal. So student, this is a product. So we getting small r will be equal of capital E, capital V by capital I. I hope you getting the proper solution related to second part of question. We have to prove, इस क्वेश्चन में दो चीज प्रूव करनी थी, स्मॉल r इक्वल टू कैपिटल R E बाई V माइनस 1. ये भी आपको एग्जाम में आ सकता है और ये भी एग्जाम में आ सकता है. मैंने देखिए बहुत अच्छे से आपको बता दिया है. By the definition of the total amount of current and by the statement of Ohm's law, we getting E and V. And what is the mean of the E? E that means a electromotive force and V that means a potential. But we know that by the concept of the physics, E always greater than V, such that, ठीक है, fall in potential, both are the terms of the potential. Fall in potential, that means a greater potential minus lower potential, LHS minus LHS, then RHS minus RHS. Finally, IR cancel by IR, we getting the I small r. Small r will be equivalent of capital E minus V upon I. स्टूडेंट, आई होप यू गेटिंग द प्रॉपर सॉल्यूशन रिलेटेड टू इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस, या तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ सेल, और इस क्वेश्चन को ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं, ड्राइव अ डेरिवेशन टू डिटरमाइन द expression or relation between the internal resistance, external resistance and electromotive force of cell. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel of Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajodha. Student, please like, subscribe and also study from the channel.